Hi, I'm
Marlon.
in my life, it's kind of crazy.
One bad bitch, she do what I say so. Two big 40s in a big Draco. 3 more millions when you act.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be opening up my boxes. It's not even a lot, but I'm opening them up because the rest of the battle pass, it doesn't really have any more, except for the bonus big boxes. And I'm going to save up all. I'm also going to save up those to make a video in the future. So yeah, let's see if I got something. So right now, my chances of getting a mythic, and my mythic is 0.2639 and legendary 0.1472. Okay, so let's go. Okay, and I think I also need gadgets 2%. See what gadgets I need. No, 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 nope, 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 nope. My God, I have so many. Nope. Oh no, I was in Colt. I was with Colt. Nope, 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 nope. Yes. No. 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 Oh my God. Okay, I just need spikes. And oh wait, no. And Frank. So Spike and Frank's gadget. So here we go. Okay. 3, 2, we got nothing. And you can tell that you're getting something because if you go for the big boxes, it's gonna say 3, then 2, then 1. And if it says 1 and it's like flashing, that means that you're gonna get either a soup I forgot what it's called. Oh, token double. Okay. Star power. Yeah, you're either gonna get a star power, a gadget, or a brawler if it's flashing on the last item. And on the mega boxes, if it's a 6 out of 6 items, that means that you're getting something. So yeah. First, let's open up these. Okay, I'm gonna open up this one. Nope, I got nothing. Oh my God, I'm getting nervous. Oh no, I'm probably not gonna get anything. Come on. Nope, nothing. Come on, okay. One more big box, and the rest of them are gonna be mega boxes. Nothing. Oh God. 4 mega boxes. I got something. Oh my God, I got something. Oh my God, I got something. Let's go. It's probably gonna be a gadget, but it's fine. Look, as you guys can see, it's flashing. Yep. Ooh, okay. Spike's gadget. Okay. Pretty good. Nope, nothing. 2 more. Come on. Nope, nothing. Last box. Please like this video for good luck. Please. Please. If it says 6 out of, if it says 6 items remaining, that means that I'm gonna get something. Please. 5. Okay. The only thing I got. The only thing I got was Spike's gadget, which is not bad. At least I got a gadget. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to do these, like these bonus boxes, probably like next month. I'm gonna open them because I'm gonna get at least like 20, at least 20. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please, I know this was a pretty short video, but if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, I'm sorry, bro, but like, I'm doing a video right now. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out.
We wanna ball and get loose. It's something that she like to do.